Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna get straight into it. I am coming back with this Jackie Aina palette, okay? So this is round 2 for the Jackie Aina times ABH palette. Jackie Aina. Well, I don't know why I always call her Aina. Maybe it's because of my accent. But yeah, this is round 2 for the Jackie Aina times ABH palette. I want to give this another go just because I did not like, you guys, I don't know if I included it in my first video, but Supreme, Pinker, and Big Wig, which are the three colors right there. Let's try to get it. Yeah. The 3 colors right there, they just weren't translating very well on camera for me. So I am going to do this look again, but this time I am going to do like a golden, I don't know. I'm gonna do something more on the gold side. And so yeah, we're gonna go straight into this look. I already have my brows done. It's a good brow day, so I'm expecting this to be a good makeup day, okay? I am going to do a voiceover just because I have some noisy neighbors and they are very annoying. And yeah, I do not want that interrupting my video. So let's get into this look. Alright guys, so I'm starting with the color Ginger. I am going to start to work this color into my crease. You will be seeing this video first just because I'm still not sure if I want to post the very first Jackie Aina times ABH video that I did. Yeah, those colors, when I did the pinks and the purples, worked me way too hard, but I may still post it just because I don't want to lose the footage. But yeah, I'm going in with Ginger. Ginger actually comes on a little darker than I thought because it looks more orangey, but then it comes off as a very good neutral brown. So I really like that. Now I'm going in with the color Edges, and I am going to work that in over Ginger and really work that into my crease. Now going in with the color Credit, I am going to build on top of Ginger and Edges. I am really going for a really nice golden smoky look. And yes, honey, Credit got some pigment to it, honey. So I am just gonna build that up and just blend it really, really, really nice before I go in and cut the crease. Now I'm taking the NYX eyeshadow primer in the color Skin Tone, and I am going to, cut the crease. You know, I learned that little trick where you blink and kind of see where your bottom lid touches your crease, and that's where you carve it out. So that's what I was doing just now. And yeah, I'm just going to carve this out and just start to build the colors, build the gold colors after carving this crease out. All right, now let's build. I am going in with the color Trust Issues. This is a beautiful, like a white gold pigment color. And I am just taking a flat concealer brush and I am pressing and pushing that color onto my lid, and then I'm smoothing it out afterwards. I mean, this color is really, really gorgeous. There we go. Pat and press, honey. Pat and press. Then I am going in with a Zam, and I am going to add that next to Trust Issues to build a beautiful gradient of color from like a I guess like a white yellow gold into a rose gold. Then I'm taking Credit again, and I am just going to smoke out the outer corner. And yeah, guys, this look is really, really easy to do. Alright, so now I am taking my black eyeliner. I think this is an Inglot number 77, and I am just going to, you know, kind of wing out my eye. I am not the best at wing liners, I will be the first to admit, but yeah, I'm just going to add like a just really nice black smooth line, and then we are going to move on to the face. Alright, so I'm going to prime with my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. And we are going to be using the Fenty Beauty foundation today. So I am going in with the color 350. Now the other foundation, my color is 370, but for some reason I just like how 350 looks compared to $370 when I was in Sephora trying them on. So I'm going to use a flat foundation brush, and I am going to apply the foundation. Of course, you guys know this foundation oxidizes, which I like, so it's gonna really blend into my skin color. And I am going to kind of buff that in and then go ahead and blend everything in with a beauty sponge. Alright, so I'm pulling out an oldie but goodie. This is the Laura Mercier Secret Camouflage. You guys, you know this is like one of my staple favorite concealers. This is in the color SC number 6. So I'm going to take, y'all know I like my salmon colors. So I am using that salmon color to highlight, even though it's not showing up as bright on this Fenty foundation. However, it looks really good. So I'm taking that color, and then I'm going to go in with the Fashion Fair, my Fashion Fair foundation, and I'm also going to take like that salmony color and build on top of the Laura Mercier Secret Camouflage. And then I'm gonna blend this out. And when I tell you, this combo was like, oh my god, I mean, you're going to see how sick this combo is. Now going in with the ABH in the color Truffle, I am going to contour. This is like my favorite contour stick. You guys know I barely use anything else unless it's the Fashion Fair foundation stick, but Truffle is my staple for contouring, of course. Going in with my Real Techniques contour brush, I am just going to begin to just blend this contour out. I love how their brushes buff so nice. I think the synthetic fibers that they use, it's just it's my favorite. So of course when I recorded this, I couldn't find my favorite brush for contouring, which is my Morphe brush, but I found that, so you guys will see that make its appearance in another video. But yeah, so I am buffing this out, making sure everything is blended. Then I'm going to go back in with my beauty sponge and continue to blend the highlight. So the highlight and the contour, they just blend seamlessly together, you know, it's like one big beautiful marriage. There we go. Okay, now we see what we're working with here. Alright, now I'm going in with my Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I am just going to set under my eye. I'm gonna set that highlight. And I mean, this look came together so easily. It's just like, I'm just still so excited, still so shocked. But yeah, I'm setting with the Laura Mercier, and then of course you guys know I am going to go in with my staple powders, my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish, my Iman powders. I am going to contour with I think I contoured with a little bit of ABH and Fashion Fair. Now, what I really do like about these Real Technique brushes is the fact that I can use it for foundation and then go in and use it for powder. And now for my under eyes, so I am using this little teeny itty bitty MAC Kohl pencil. I love this freaking their black eyeliners are some of the best. Absolutely love them. And then I'm going to go in with, of course, ginger, with credit, and with edges, and I'm going to build that up under my eyes. But I also went in with another color just to give my under eyes a really nice pop, and that's with the color Bigwig. So that purple, I just blended that right in the center, and then I used the color Dwellers to brighten up my inner tear duct, and loving it. So now for blush and highlight combo, I am going in with the color Albatross by NARS. You guys know this is like one of my favorite goals to highlight with. And then Lovejoy by MAC is the blush that I used to blend the contour and the highlight together. Alright, so going in with the color BFF3 by ColourPop. I got this from the Makeup Shayla and ColourPop collab. I am lining my lips. I love this brown color. It is so, this pencil is so smooth. So I'm lining my lips, and then I am just going to add like a nude gloss to this look to just top this look off, okay? Honey, I'm telling you, this, y'all gotta let me know how y'all feel, because I am loving this look, like straight up. Alright, so I'm just going to top this look off with a gloss. This gloss is from MAC. This is in the color Lust. And yeah, I didn't want to do anything dramatic with the lips. You guys know I normally do like a matte lipstick or, you know, matte liquid lipstick. But I'm just going to do liner and gloss today, honey, because sis is snatched. Alright, so yeah, what do you, oh, okay, girl. Okay, alright, yeah. Work it, because yeah, I know. Just work it. Just do what you gotta do. I don't have anything else to say. Alright guys, so this is take 2 of the Jackie Aina palette. And this is what I'm talking about. Alright? Okay? Because y'all ain't ready for this heat. Y'all ain't ready for this smoke. Because my face is snizzatched. Alright guys, so yes, now this is the look that, yeah, oh, we could get it with this look, honey. We could get it with this look. Ew. Ooh, honey, brows are on point. I'm telling you, when there is a good brow day, there is a good makeup day near in the future. Okay? In the very near future, which was today. Love how this look came out. The colors were much more pigmented, much easier to work with. So yeah, guys, I am loving this look. Now this is what I'm talking about, okay? Now I could slay in this. I could slay all day in this. Okay? Okay. Alright guys, let me know what you think. I'm rocking with this one, okay? So I will, again, work with the palette a little bit more, try out some more looks, but this definitely gets an A for me. Alright, guys, so give me a thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe if you like this video, and leave a comment below letting me know if you like this video. Alright, guys, and if you want to see how I got this hairdo, keep watching. I don't know what I'm gonna put up first. If I put up the hair video first, I think I'm gonna leave the video right here. If not, you'll find it there eventually. I'll come back and add it there. But alright guys, I will talk to y'all later. Love ya. Bye bye.